Welcome back to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the O2 sensor on a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima with a 2.5. It's going to be this one right here above the catalytic converter. So let's get started. All right, first step, you want to go ahead and take off the battery terminal. Tuck it right down there. All right, so the next step is you want to remove this connector right here. And what you got to do is push down on this tab, and then once you push down there, then this will come right off. Okay, so once you got the connector off, you just kind of stick it down the side and make way for the O2 sensor. This is a special socket. It's just specifically designed for O2 sensors, and basically the reason why it has a big cutout is so you can actually take off the O2 sensor while the wire is right there. And then once you got it all the way down, you're just going to break it loose, and then you can crank this by hand. And the reason why you want to take the electrical connector off is because the electrical connector would get all twisted if it was still plugged in there. I'm going to set it right here. Okay, so I got the O2 sensor off, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you how to install it back on. I'm not actually replacing it, just showing you how to remove and install it. We're going to go ahead and use a soft nylon brush, and what we're getting off is the old anti-sieze compound. If you got it really caked on there, what you can also use is a brass brush, and then go ahead and make sure you get all the compound off. And there you can see the threads nice and clean again. And we're going to add anti-sieze lubricant. This is from Permatex. You can get this at most auto parts stores. Take some, and what I'm going to do is just take a small dab, and then what you want to do is just carefully put it on and rotate it around. Make sure you keep the compound away from the top part here where the sensor is. Just go ahead, and I'll use my other finger to just kind of wipe off the excess. Okay, so now this is ready to be installed. All we got to do is line up the threads, and then slowly turn. Make sure you got the threads in correctly. You don't want to strip this. And then once you got it in there, finger tight, we can go ahead and torque this down to 38 foot-pounds of torque. All right, so the last part is plugging the O2 sensor back in, and you just want to line up the tabs and then push till you hear it click. Oh, that didn't click, but you saw the little tab move. Get a little snug pull, make sure it's good. I'm gonna connect our battery using our 10mm. I'm gonna turn the car on and make sure that there's no check engine lights. And no check engine lights, we're good to go. And as you can see, a little bit of burn off. That's perfectly normal. All right, that's it for this video. The O2 sensor was really quick, really simple. If you like our content, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos. We'll see you on the next one.